Hello, welcome to a quick demo of the Zingtree Agent Scripting App for Zendesk with instant notes. This is a great way to help your agents follow standard operating procedures and also help them save time entering notes into your tickets. So let's get started. This is your Zendesk view, and you can see the Agent Scripting App on the right-hand side in the side panel. And you can also set up the Agent Scripting App to appear just as a single button, or even just access it from a persistent button in the top bar. So every decision tree session is tied to a particular ticket in Zendesk. When you click the app, your ticket appears, or your decision tree appears, and from here the agents can just simply follow different processes by pointing and clicking. You can also do data entry within Zingtree. For example, I can choose a model number here, and when I continue on, this model field is going to populate like so. In addition, you can also have tags appear in the ticket as well, and this is set up through Zingtree too. And so now the agents can basically follow the different procedures to go through and troubleshoot or answer billing questions or whatever just by pointing and clicking. One of the cool features about the app is what's called pause and resume. So if I go ahead and reload this ticket, and once the ticket reloads, let's say the call was transferred to another agent or the customer calls back. If I reopen the ticket, the script will go right back to the same place they were previously, and also the new agent can see the history of what happened. So this is called pause and resume. Another really handy feature is agent feedback. So typically when you deploy a decision tree in the field, your agents will run into situations the authors hadn't encountered. So the agents can easily send feedback to the authors just right from here, like so. And so the other really handy thing about the app is instant notes. So once you've gone through the whole procedure, you can create a sort of a starter template for what goes into the notes field in the ticket. So when I click on copy notes here, and I exit this, the internal notes will now get a copy of what your notes template appeared, and then the agents can embellish this as so. So again, this is a huge time saver for your agents as they go through. And yeah, and let me show you one other thing. When you're configuring the Zingtree app, you can have trees, different trees load depending on brand, ticket tags, or custom field. So in this case, I'm going to configure it to match to a particular brand. So this is back to the side panel view, but as you can see here, when we chose the astrology brand, it brings up a troubleshooter for an astrology website. If we were to change this brand to insurance, for example, this would bring up a decision tree for a different product. So the takeaway is that you can have either tags or custom fields or a brand trigger different trees to show up automatically. And that's all there is to the Zendesk Agent Scripting app. I hope you like it, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.